Are you looking for how to use eucalyptus oil, or maybe you've wondered what are the best eucalyptus essential oil blends? By the end of this video, you'll have 4 of the most incredible ways to use eucalyptus oil and the 5 eucalyptus essential oil blend recipes. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson, essential oil educator and certified health coach. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell notification. Every time I upload a brand new video, you'll be notified. Stick around to the end. I have a really great gift that you're not going to want to miss. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for over 12 years now. I'm obsessed with helping people just like you feel great so you can do that something special you were meant to do. We found more control over our health care and have only been to the doctor once for sick care, and with 6 kids, that says a lot. With over 421 published studies on the benefits of eucalyptus essential oil has become a household staple in our home. Let me share with you how to use eucalyptus oil in 4 different ways to get the most out of it. First, how do you use eucalyptus oil aromatically? A favorite is how to use eucalyptus for steaming. So put a couple of drops in a steaming cup of water or in a diffuser. This creates a calming atmosphere during stressful circumstances. Eucalyptus also has cleansing properties and it provides a cooling sensation, which may contribute to the feelings of open airways for your respiratory system. How to use eucalyptus essential oil in the shower. While showering, place a few drops of eucalyptus oil in your hands, cup, and inhale deeply for a spa-like experience. You can put some on the shower floor. And thinking about the bathroom, you can combine eucalyptus oil with lemon oil and peppermint oil in a spray bottle and use it to wipe down the surfaces in your bathroom and also in your kitchen. Eucalyptus oil can also be used as a room deodorizer. To make a natural deodorizing spray, add eucalyptus essential oil to a spray bottle filled with distilled water. And then also, while in the bathroom, add 1 drop of eucalyptus oil with a carrier oil or your favorite lotion for a soothing massage and hydration. Second, how do you use eucalyptus oil for hair and hair regrowth? So put a drop or 2 into your shampoo or conditioner and massage it in. This is very strengthening and stimulating to your scalp and hair follicles. And I'll share my essential oil blend for hair regrowth in just a minute, along with my other eucalyptus essential oil blend recipes. So third, how do you use eucalyptus oil for coughs, sore throat, sinuses, or blocked nose? How to use eucalyptus oil for sore throat? The best way is to gargle it with some water, then you just spit it out. How do you use eucalyptus for sinus congestion, or how to use eucalyptus oil for a blocked nose? Put a drop in a steaming cup of water. A mug is a great idea, and then just inhale that. You can also rub a couple of drops of eucalyptus over the bridge of your nose and on the bottom of your feet and chest. You can also use an aromatherapy inhaler, and these are easy to make. I'll put a link in the description below on how to make an essential oil inhaler and my favorite recipes. And I'm curious, have you ever used eucalyptus essential oil before? Let me know in the comments. After this last tip on how to use eucalyptus oil, I'll share with you my essential oils guidebook that you can download with the top uses for all of my favorite essential oils, including recipes and tutorials. Okay, fourth, how to use eucalyptus oil in my top eucalyptus essential oil blend recipes. So blend number 1, eucalyptus essential oil blend for coughs, as well as essential oil blends for congestion. Mix eucalyptus essential oil with peppermint oil and rosemary and rub this on your throat. Blends number 2 and 3. So the 2 best eucalyptus essential oil blends for diffusing, in my opinion. First is called Breathe Easy for respiratory support. Just put the eucalyptus, spearmint, rosemary together and peppermint into a diffuser. And then the second blend is called Clear Mind. So this is to clear your head, to relieve anxious feelings, relieve stress, and to help you sleep. Put grapefruit, eucalyptus, frankincense, and juniper berry in your diffuser. I love this blend. 4 is my essential oil blend for hair. Just combine eucalyptus essential oil and peppermint. And then finally, before I share my last essential oil blend for hair regrowth, I have a bonus tip for you. So stay to the end so you know why using multiple species in eucalyptus essential oil versus just a single species of eucalyptus oil will yield the best results, and why I use doTERRA's new Eucalyptus Essential Oil Blend. And then blend number 4 is how to use eucalyptus oil for hair regrowth. Who needs this? Combine eucalyptus essential oil, peppermint, and rosemary, 1 drop of each in your preferred shampoo or conditioner, or even both, and you can also create a spray or a roll-on. So bonus, why is using multiple species of eucalyptus essential oil blend versus a single species of eucalyptus oil beneficial? Then I will share my gift with you as promised at the very end. First, blending helps achieve a more consistent chemical profile across all seasons and other important variables. While it's easy to customize chemistry in a lab with synthetic constituents, that's never been doTERRA's way, and it never will be. So instead, doTERRA supports optimal chemistry by the way that they grow the plants. Growing conditions, locations, harvesting practices, and more can produce plant material that yields excellent natural chemical profiles, and blending more than one of these plant species creates more consistent chemistry bottle to bottle, while still ensuring every drop is completely pure with no synthetics. Another benefit of blending multiple plant species is sourcing, sustainability, and reliability. It removes dependencies on single sources of oils or species, so if something were to go wrong in one location or with one crop, we'd still have a sustainable and reliable source from other yields or species. Previously, doTERRA's eucalyptus essential oil was solely Eucalyptus radiata. The species is still part of eucalyptus essential oil along with these others listed. These species will help to create a very robust blend of eucalyptus essential oil. Those are my top tips for how to use eucalyptus oil and my favorite eucalyptus essential oil blend recipes. If I missed something or you have a question, please let me know in the comments. And as promised, here's how you can get my free essential oils guidebook with my top uses for all of my favorite essential oils. You'll find the link down in the description below, as well as all the other links that I mentioned. Click the subscribe button, hit the bell so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you like this video on how to use eucalyptus essential oil, check out this video here for the top 4 surprising uses of spearmint essential oil.